Hey, all, check out this Kids Boroscope that I just received from the brand to try out. And my daughter loves this thing. She loves playing with it. The other day, we were kind of testing it out and putting it through under the couch. We also tried into the fish tank because this is rated, I believe, IP67. So this would be great for ponds, ant hills, birds' nests, all kinds of things for a kid to just kind of get into. What my daughter especially liked was playing spy with it. She would hide somewhere and then peek this out in a little corner from her hiding spot and just spy on people as people walk by. So I really like this. This is really fun. It does have an adjustable flashlight on the end of it, so that's great, especially if you are going into a dark hole. I tried this on my vent and found a whole bunch of trash in the vent. But you see, the quality is not really that great. This is a 2 megapixel camera at 720p, so it's not the greatest, but it is manageable, especially for such a small screen and for little ones. But it's very easy to use. You can change the zoom on here as well, up to I think 3x is a zoom. You can also review what footage you have taken, photo and video footage. Now the video footage, I couldn't quite seem to figure out how to do the video playback, so that might not be an option on here. But it's very easy to operate. You just push this button to take the picture or hold down to take a video. And it also does have an SD card, which is required for video. So if you don't have that SD card, you're not going to be able to take video. But hope you found this helpful. Have a great day.
Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.